Hey, what's up everybody? This is All Out with Mobile WizTech and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro case series for the Google Pixel 5. And I'll be jumping right in right after this. Now, before I get started, if you end up liking my content, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Also, if you want to see more content like this, make sure you consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe and a notification bell button. That way you can always stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. All right, so the first color we're going to look at is the red. Pop this open really quick. Get all this out of the way. All right. And, I'm going to remove all of this as well. There we go. Peel that back. And then remove this. And as you can see, it is a dual layer case. All right, so you get that screen protection here with this layer, and then you have the bottom portion of the case. All right, and just like all of the Unicorn Beetle Pro cases, you have this holster. All right, and this swivels 360, as you can see there. All right, really nice. Let's have a look at the case. Of course, you get the kickstand. All right, so you can set it up this way or landscape mode. All right, and let's look at the cutouts real quick. You have your rear camera cutout. All right, cutout here. Bottom cutouts. All right. And no buttons here. Get a better focus there so you can look at it. There you go. And you have your buttons here and your top cutout. All right. Really nice and comfortable to hold as well. And you have the reinforced grip for it, so it's not slippery. And you also have your front cutouts right here as well. All right. And let's look at the last color. All right, and this is the tilt color. All right, so get this open really quick. All right, let's see here. All right, let's remove this. And I won't go through the whole process of taking this out, as it's pretty much the same case, just different color. All right, but at least you can have a look at the tilt color. Really nice. Now, if you're interested in any one of these cases, I will have a link posted in the description section of this video. And this completes my review of the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro case series for the Google Pixel 5. I thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Also, share it out and comment below. Until next time, keep it mobile.